Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. So guess what? So I'm outside the villa. Let me see the name? Villa Russa, and we're waiting to get dinner. So guess what, guys? I am late for dinner because my seating was at 6 p.m. and now I think it's 8 something, 8:30 or 8:45 p.m. So I missed my seating, which is 6 p.m. So I thought, like, you know, like Carnival or any other ship, Royal Caribbean, you can always just go in and eat. No, you have to be here for your seating, otherwise you have to wait. Okay, so if you're like me, who's gonna be late for dinner, don't do that, because then you're gonna end up waiting to be seated, or you have to end up going back to the buffet. And honestly, guys, the buffet, I'm not feeling that food. Okay, not feeling the food on the MSC buffet. So guess what? I'm gonna wait here, and hopefully by 9 o'clock, 9:15, I get a table to sit down and have some dinner. So guys, I'll keep you posted on my little what you would call it now, journey for eating dinner tonight on the MSC. So I'll check back in with you guys later on, okay? Catch you.